guys, check this out. I got these multi-grain baked crackers at they're at Costco. So check that out. No artificial flavors, certified gluten-free, vegan. See that right there? It says vegan. So that's why I checked them out here. Here's a nutrient panel, and we'll do a quick taste test for you guys. And yeah, check that out there. Alright, let's open this up, which I already have. There we go. So there they are. They are basically rice-based. They are very, very sesame. Like, you can taste the sesame right through this. The aroma is very strong. So if you love sesame, you'll love these crackers. They're like any other rice crackers though. You have that sort of crunch, but it is really sesame flavored. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel. Slightly salty as well.